Wednesday, March 26, 2025. Interesting fact about today, it's been exactly 6 months since Hurricane Helene made landfall in the Big Bend of Florida as a Category 4 storm with sustained winds of 140 miles an hour. An absolutely devastating storm for Florida, Georgia, and especially western North Carolina and eastern Tennessee, which will likely be retired at the end of the month. The World Meteorological Organization has a meeting from March 31st to April 4th. During that meeting, they will announce the retirements for the 2024 Atlantic hurricane season, and Helene is almost a guarantee that it will be retired. Three systems to talk about. Invest 96W. That's about the same amount of organized, maybe gotten a little less organized, and it's heading toward the Philippines. It's not over land yet, but the center is actually closer to right here. It will move over the land and then maybe move back over water and maybe become a tropical cyclone. I think it might eventually, but maybe not. It's got a low chance of development in the next 24 hours. Sustained winds of 15 miles an hour. Invest 93S. That's got a medium chance of development in the next 24 hours, and that's threatening Australia. If it does hit Australia, if it does hit like right here, that's where Tropical Cyclone Zelia hit last month and brought a devastating impact. It was a Category 4 or 5 tropical cyclone at landfall. I don't remember at the moment right now, but it's got 30-mile-an-hour winds and got a medium chance of development in the next 24 hours. Courtney has actually quickly intensified, and it may intensify, and it should intensify further, entering the Southwest Indian Ocean by Saturday. So I'll keep an eye on these two systems and this one, just if there's any rapid intensification. Yesterday I was looking at the infrared satellite imagery. When I was showing you it, I noticed that the cloud tops were really high, which is signs of possible rapid intensification. And that seems to be what has happened. Maybe not rapid, but very quick intensification. For our infrared satellite imagery, the cloud tops are very high again. They're about the same as they were yesterday for Courtney. And I don't expect the storm to bring an impact to anywhere unless it completely defies all predictions. This is starting to look more organized. Invest 93S, and I think it may hit Australia. Develop and then hit Australia. I'll keep an eye on that. Invest 96W. It's kind of looking a little organized over here. Maybe not. I'll keep an eye on that. It may not bring a significant impact to land. And for sea surface temperatures. Oh, okay. So the Invest 93S right here. This is expected to move this way and then hit the northern part of Australia. Kind of an unusual tropical cyclone landfall spot, but the sea surface temperatures are extremely warm there. I rarely see tropical cyclones over 88-degree waters, so that could be rapid or maybe even explosive intensification before landfall. Courtney, it's in 82-degree waters, and they're expected to stay relatively cool, and it may even start to head a bit toward Madagascar. Whether or not it would hit Madagascar, right now it looks unlikely, but I'll keep an eye on that. This will be at least 5 days, maybe even a week from now. There's something to look out for. And where Invest 96W is, it's in 84-degree waters. It's going to move over land and then move maybe into 86-degree waters, which maybe would give it time to develop. This whole area is very warm water, so I would not be surprised to see this develop, but there's maybe dry air I don't really have time to look. Well, I'll try. I'll show you. I mean, the air is relatively humid. I mean, the 70%, that's not humid enough for a tropical cyclone. I mean, here it's 100, so I don't know. We'll see. This is still probably up in the air, quite literally. I'll keep an eye on that. That's it for today, guys. A lot to look out for. Please subscribe if you want more updates. Thanks for watching, and see ya.